Here comes the I-code matrix. Look at how it looks. This matrix is designed to organize people at the immediate communities and to provide them with unique identities based on their occupation and their profession. Occupation as in where they live, where they work, and profession. Also, where they live is very important so that the system can connect them to members of their matrices at the immediate communities. System will create matrices at the immediate communities that will join the national strategy. Back to the matrix. As you can see, we have ethics and code of conducts for the core values of life. You have the unique codes for each of those elements of ethics and codes of conducts. And you can see them in here. You can see 0101 is a unique identity code. 0306 is a unique identity code. So we have 144 units of them here, which means the ethics is what obligation that is required for the individuals to fulfill. And the code of conduct is the attire, the behavior, the attitude they have to put up to be able to meet up with those obligations. And these obligations are very key to the development of any nation. And if you don't apply the right code of conduct, of course, you get it wrong. These ethical values we are using here is to replace those values that separate us, those values that are being used to structure our system currently. Because this platform we are building is to support what is going on at the political platform where we are divided. We are divided based on geography, culture, religion, ethnicity, tribalism, and that reflects in the structure of government we have. So this is a different structure. It reflects with the dimensions of government we have from the local government area, local government council, local government, the state's constituencies, federal constituencies, senatorial districts. All of those differences reflect in the structure that we have with democracy. No doubt about that. But we have something different now. We are recreating. From this matrix, all other dimensions of government will appear, starting from the individual. So here, for me to identify my uniqueness at my immediate community, I have to align myself with the values that I share with people based on what I do. Myself as a teacher in the political platform, the platform that I have here is political, and I'm teaching in this space. So my unique identity, first, my occupation or industry where I fall in is 04, log on, which is platform for political development, state of evaluation. So the Department for Politics at the immediate community will accommodate me here to teach. As a teacher, I lead education and employment is my code. So my unique identity is 0407. So everyone in each matrix nationwide belongs to my local government area. I become a member of a local government area with the unique identity code of 0407. And that means we are going to have 144 local government areas because there are 144 units of unique identities. Because the matrix is a uniform system that will replicate itself across the federation or any jurisdiction of governance. So from here, we begin to understand the dynamics of the economic platform we are building. The economic platform that will be based on the principles of ethics and codes of conduct. This is where developing countries suffer from the challenges of governance because they don't have the right ethics to govern themselves. I've listened to someone say so sometime that African governments cannot rule themselves because they do not have the ethics to manage themselves. So the youth of Africa, you should learn from here and begin to imbibe ethics. It has to sink into your DNA so that you grow with it. If there is no training, leadership education for our youth to take these things deep into their bloodstream, they will continue from where our elders have stopped. From wherever they stop, they will continue from there. The kind of leadership they see, they will copy because that becomes what is being bequeathed unto them. But if we attempt to adopt iCode, there must be a difference. I know a smart nation will take this very quickly. Countries like Singapore, the moment we launch the platform, Singapore is a potential customer.